Here's what nobody tells you about construction durability. The method that costs more upfront actually saves you hundreds and thousands over the building's lifetime. While traditional concrete gets weaker over time due to weather exposure and inconsistent mixing, precast concrete is manufactured in a controlled factory condition that produces denser, stronger material. The result? Precast structures maintain their integrity over 100 years with minimal maintenance, while side cast buildings start showing problems within 20 to 30 years. Let me show you the real numbers behind the durability gap. Most construction entrepreneurs don't realize their buildings are failing from day one. The expensive truth about traditional concrete reveals a deterioration process that starts immediately after installation and accelerates over decades, creating massive hidden costs that eat into profits every year. Traditional concrete faces three critical durability threats that begin the moment workers pour the mix. Weather exposure during curing compromises structural integrity from the start. Inconsistent material mixing creates weak zones throughout the structure. Ongoing environmental degradation compounds these initial problems into major failures. While cast in place appears solid on the surface, microscopic damage accumulates daily from temperature fluctuations, moisture penetration, and chemical reactions that weaken the structure from within. This invisible damage process operates continuously, turning seemingly robust buildings into ticking time bombs of maintenance expenses. Weather during construction creates specific weak spots that plague structures for their entire lifespan. Rain dilutes surface concrete, reducing strength and creating porous zones where water can penetrate. Temperature swings cause microcracks to form as materials expand and contract at different rates. Wind carries contaminants like salt, chemicals, and pollutants directly into the wet concrete mix, embedding corrosive elements deep within the structure. On-site mixing creates density variation that becomes critical failure points over time. Some areas receive too much water, creating weak, porous concrete that crumbles under stress. Other sections get insufficient cement, resulting in inadequate bonding between aggregate particles. These inconsistencies mean your building has random zones of varying strength scattered throughout its framework. These initial weaknesses compound dramatically over time through a predictable cycle of destruction. Water enters the microcracks during construction, and when temperature drops, this water freezes and expands, creating larger cracks that allow even more water penetration. Each freeze-thaw cycle accelerates the damage, while chemical reactions like carbonation reduce the concrete's alkalinity. While chemical reactions like carbonation reduce the concrete's alkalinity, causing steel reinforcement to corrode and expand, creating additional cracks from the inside out. The maintenance timeline for traditional concrete follows a predictable pattern that destroys profit margins. Minor repairs become necessary within 5 to 10 years as surface cracks and spalling appear. Major renovations requiring patching and reinforcement hit at every 15 to 20-year mark. Potential structural replacement becomes really within 30 to 40 years, representing complete loss of your initial investment. This deterioration isn't random or unavoidable. Traditional concrete's fundamental weakness lies in controlled variables during production and curing. Every pour happens in different weather conditions with slightly different material ratios mixed by different crews during different techniques. These variables create structures that deteriorate predictably within decades rather than centuries. Factory controlled environments eliminate these destructive variables entirely through the precision manufacturing that produces consistent, superior concrete. But what if you could eliminate every single one of those variables that create concrete that actually gets stronger over time? Precast concrete doesn't just last longer, it transforms your business model from reactive maintenance to predictable profitability over a 100-year asset lifecycle. Calculate your current maintenance spending and compare it to precast upfront premium. The math always favors longevity when you factor in repairs, renovation, and eventual replacement costs that traditional concrete demands. While competitors deal with crumbling buildings and emergency repairs that drain cash flows unpredictably, precast operators build wealth through assets that appreciate rather than depreciate. Your building becomes a profit center instead of a maintenance liability, generating returns for generations instead of consuming them.